Shiba Inu is making great gains in the last few weeks and even seems to be close to overthrowing Dogecoin. But will it remain the top meme crypto, or could a new cryptocurrency replace it? Stick around until the end of this video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss which crypto could rise to become the next Shiba Inu. But before that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. Shiba Inu, the 11th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, soared to new highs in a recent cryptocurrency market trend report. Of course, the price is always changing, so it might be much higher or lower by the time this video goes live, but it's still rather expensive. A Change.org petition has over 300,000 signatures calling for Robinhood to accept SHIB on its platform. The token has increased by more than 40,500,000% in the last year. Jonathan Cheeseman, the CEO of FTX's over-the-counter and institutional sales, wrote in an email on October 24th that memes have value and have been an investable thesis since 2021. He also noted that when investors can still buy more than 20,000 SHIB for $1, lower-cost tokens are more tempting to consumers. The SHIB ecosystem has started that additional packs would be issued soon, but it has also published a number of non-fungible tokens, so NFTs, which are already sold out, according to a dedicated page. In a recent message, Vijay Iyer, Asia Pacific head of crypto exchange Nano PTE, said, "With such meme coins, it's hard to speculate on the actual reasons for price movements, in all honesty." He went on to claim that few distinct communities had sprouted up around them. Shiba Inu was founded in 2020 by an anonymous man going by the name of Ryoshi. It is a decentralized meme token that grew into a lively ecosystem. According to the coin website, a cryptocurrency that was introduced as a joke in 2013 now appears to have been designed in the style of Dogecoin. Complete with a Shiba Inu symbol, Dogecoin is a popular token since it's accepted by various sports teams and AMC cinemas. Dogecoin's market value has risen to more than over $33 billion in the previous 24 hours, according to CoinGecko, while Shiba Inu's is approximately $21 billion. Yes, that's right, there are two doggy meme coins in the top 10 cryptos, including stable coins. Cheeseman explained, "Don't shorten things that millennials believe are hilarious," he continued. Despite these life-changing benefits, the Shiba Inu has a fatal flaw. It does not stand out or perform exceptionally well. The objective is that Bitcoin projects would make financial and non-financial transactions faster and cheaper than the existing infrastructure, as well as democratize the process so that everyone may participate. While Shiba Inu has that covered, it isn't a very noteworthy network or payment currency. Despite being the world's 10th largest cryptocurrency by market value, just roughly 100 merchants globally accept it as a form of payment. Shiba Inu's future is bleak in the absence of true competitive advantages or distinguishing characteristics. Sorry, Elon Musk's tweets about his Shiba Inu breed dog don't count. In the long run, these lesser-known cryptocurrencies have the potential to outperform SHIB. A few under-the-radar cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are far more intriguing than Shiba Inu and might provide enormous long-term potential. Take a look. Stellar. Stellar is a cryptocurrency that has received a lot of attention in recent years. Stellar was the 25th largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $7.9 billion as of October 28. What I'm looking for in a financial-oriented blockchain ventures is exceptional efficiency. Using present banking infrastructure, cross-border payments can take up to a week to authenticate and clear, which is wasteful. More than 180 fiat currencies may be converted to Lumen coins, XLM, Stellar's protocol token, transferred across borders and converted back to a selected fiat currency via Stellar's blockchain. It is finally time to confirm and settle that international transaction. It only takes a few seconds. However, Stellar's blockchain offers more than just speed. The typical transaction costs 0.00001 XLM or $0.0000334. To put this into perspective, it would take around 300,000 transactions on Stellar's blockchain for a party to accumulate the equivalent of $1 in fees. And that's not even the half of it. The Stellar development team claims that the network can handle up to 3,000 transactions per second, though this is far from the 24,000 transactions per second that payment processing behemoth Visa can handle. 3,000 transactions per second is impressive for a digital currency tethered blockchain. Stellar has real-world connections as well. In 2017, it partnered with IBM to provide blockchain-based cross-border payments for a dozen South Pacific organizations. The Stellar Development Foundation stated in May that it will collaborate with Visa and Tala to bring financially focused blockchain solutions to underbanked emerging markets. Nano. Shiba Inu is not the only cryptocurrency that is flying under the radar. Nano looks to have far better long-term potential than Shiba Inu. According to CoinMarketCap.com, Nano is the 119th largest cryptocurrency, $669 million market value. Nano aims to revolutionize digital payments, and three elements of this cryptocurrency stand out. To begin, the creators of Nano rejected the idea of an open-source network with a central blockchain. Instead, the network leverages a block lattice blockchain. Each user has their own blockchain, to which they may contribute via the block lattice. This means you don't have to compete with other users to add blocks, nor will you have to go through the hassle of obtaining an agreement, because just the sender and recipient of the payment are necessary for agreement. Verification is quick. In theory, the block's lattice should also allow Nano to expand quickly without compromising network performance. Second, Nano's network is exceptionally fast, with transactions validation and settlement completed in less than a second. If the network like Stellar can be adequately developed to increase transactions per second far into the 4 digits, Nano might become a popular digital payment option. The third and most interesting aspect of Nano is that its transactions are entirely free. As Nano mentioned, the network is distinguished further by its consensus procedure, known as open representative voting. Representatives achieve an agreement by voting on the legitimacy of certain blocks transferred on the network. Each representative's vote weight is established by the account owners and is proportionate to the Nano in their accounts. To summarize, ORV helps keep Nano transaction free, which may provide it with actual long-term appeal. QTUM, pronounced quantum, is the third and final cryptocurrency with far greater real-world potential than Shiba Inu. According to CoinMarketCap, quantum is the 88th largest cryptocurrency with a market value of $1.2 billion. Although quantum has financial applications, it is primarily designed to be a quick and secure blockchain solution for businesses. The most remarkable aspect of quantum blockchain is the combination of Bitcoin's UTXO security protocols with Ethereum's virtual machine. The founders of Quantum integrated the best characteristics of the top 2 digital currencies in terms of market capitalization to create a network that incorporates smart contracts. Smart contracts are protocols that aid in the negotiation of a contract between 2 parties by facilitating, verifying, or enforcing it. But because contracts are visible on blockchain and legally enforceable, they are excellent for luring enterprises. To elaborate, Quantum's account abstraction layer sets it apart from other blockchain ventures. The AAL is in charge of separating applications from the underlying protocol so that further smart contracts functionalities may be added in the future. It also allows quantum blockchains to remain backward compatible with Bitcoin's secure UTXO protocol, regardless of how many updates are released by Quantum's developers. Furthermore, Quantum has had little problem gaining business partnerships. In mid-March, Value Network, a prediction market platform and exchange, announced that it will abandon Ethereum in favor of Quantum's smart contracts and decentralized applications platform. Only a few weeks later, Quantum developer Patrick Dye stated that engineers were working with Filecoin to enable smart contracts on the Quantum network. The idea is that Unlike Shiba Inu, Quantum has demonstrated real-world potential. All of these three cryptos will most likely surpass Shiba Inu in the future, but which one will be the biggest one? After all, only time will tell. But for the short term, it's probably going to be Stellar. And for the long term, probably Quantum. What do you think about all of these cryptocurrencies? Which one of these do you believe will be the first to surpass Shiba Inu? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.